I bought this camera in 2019, bought this ring light in 2019, got this in 2020, pandemic, and I got this in 2021. Sometimes you don't need to buy the latest gear, you just gotta use the gear you have. In this video, I'm showing you my 2025 YouTube setup. So for my camera, I'm going to be using my Canon EOS M50. Okay, I just wanted to quickly take you all through the settings that I'm using on my Canon M50. Thank you to my model over there. So I have those two off. For the picture style, I'm shooting in portrait. For the white balance, I'm shooting in daylight. I also have full HD going on, 23.98p, and that's important because it's supposed to be double, like the shutter rate is supposed to be double that, so that's why you see 50 for the 1/50. And then also I have it that it's like auto focusing whatever is the subject, and then manual mode. The ISO, I set it at 400. I hear anywhere between 100 to 400 is good, depending on how bright you want it. And then I'm shooting at f/4.5. For my microphone, I'm using the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. I have the gain set to plus 20 dB. Okay, y'all, so I wanted to show you how this sounds like without the Rode microphone. So this is just Canon M50 raw. This is what the microphone sounds like. And then this is what the microphone sounds like actually using the Rode. With the Rode, I heard that you have to be like directly in front of it. So like, for example, I heard the audio will not be as good if you're in like different parts of it. So I'm actually excited to hear that back and see how it sounds like. So I feel like natural light is just the most flattering. So when it comes to the lighting setup, in a way I'm trying to mimic natural lighting, but you know, depending on how your house is set up, if you have big enough windows, the time of day, you can't always rely on natural lighting. So I feel like that's what I'm trying to do with all the different lights that I have. Okay, y'all, so we have the mic set up, we have the camera. Now we're gonna talk about lighting. Lighting is one of my favorite parts about all of this, is because I love good lighting. So even though this is a great camera, I wanted to show you what it looks like with no lighting. Lighting really makes or break your video. So y'all, you can't even see me and all that stuff. So yeah, this is with no lighting at all. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the key light, which is our main light, and I use the ring light for this. So as you can see, it's filling up this side of my face. I basically have this at a 45-degree angle. I'm using like the 2-point light system. So you're gonna see me have two lights, the ring light and the soft light. So then what you're gonna see is I'm gonna turn this off and show you what it just looks like with the soft box. So as you can see, it's filling up this side of my face. I love that it has like the white sheet over it because it helps to diffuse it. It makes, you know, like it not too harsh. But now let me show you with both. So the key light and the fill light. And then now it has beautiful, even lighting. So I also want to make sure that the light is like one hand, arm length away from me. Like you can hear it, you know, so I can still touch it. But you know, depending on your skin tone, you can also like push it back if that's the look you're going for. So feel free to like experiment with that. Like I still think that might even look better. Maybe 2 arms length. But I think that also looks good as well. Also depending on how hot you get, because these lights can get hot. And then you can also change the temperature of this. So if you want it to be more of like what do you call this, like an orange light kind of vibe. I feel like a lot of people on TikTok have this lighting and it is very gorgeous, that yellow light. Also make sure that I have no other lights on in the house, because sometimes overhead lighting can be a little bit harsh and cause bags and exaggerate certain features. Okay, y'all, I just want to show you how the lighting looks. It's not like at my same level. Like you can see that's kind of like tilt at an angle and coming over me. So that's like the perfect kind of height and angle I love the camera to be. And then as you can see as well, the ring light, it's taller than me. It's kind of like my head. It kind of fits in the middle. My next video, I'm not going to revert back to my old habits. I'm actually going to use this setup, so stay tuned for that. Also in the comments below, let me know what setup you're using for this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.